Have you been wondering how to incorporate Instagram's latest feature, Instagram TV or IGTV, into your marketing strategy? This video is going to be all about how to think about content ideas for IGTV, how to create, edit, and upload videos for IGTV. So, are you ready? Hey entrepreneurs, it's Salma Jafri. I'm a video content strategist and you are in the right place if you want to grow your personal brand with video. Be sure to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon next to it if you want to be the first to know when I upload a new video. So if you're a fan of Instagram, and I'm turning into one, you must have noticed that Instagram releases a ton of new features all the time. They're always trying to break the mold, stay ahead of the curve, and be on the pulse of what people want. And their latest offering is Instagram TV. And what IGTV does is that it allows you to upload longer videos, but it's completely unlike the kind of videos you would normally upload to YouTube or even to Facebook. The reason that it's different is because it's vertical. That's the biggest factor, right? It's vertical video, so it's not in a horizontal landscape format. And also because of the time duration. So Instagram Stories is only 15-second videos, and the main Instagram app only allows you to upload up to 1 minute, 60-second videos, whereas IGTV allows you to upload anywhere from 10 minutes to 60 minutes. So it's definitely long-form video content. And the thing on everybody's minds, especially business owners, is how do we use this feature? What is the best way to utilize Instagram TV? How do we make sure that we're creating the right kind of content for it? So that's what we want to talk about in this video. All right, so you're ready to give IGTV a shot. Here's what you need to know. The first thing is you can upload videos in two different ways. You can either use your phone to create these videos, film these videos, upload these videos, all of that, or you can use your computer. So your laptop, your desktop, whatever you have, you can use that to film. So if you are going to be using your phone, you want to make sure that your phone is held in a vertical 9:16 ratio. And that's how you want to film. If you're going to be using your computer, then you want to set your resolution to 1080 by 1920 pixels. That will fit in perfectly in portrait mode on IGTV. So let's first talk about what not to do on IGTV. So first of all, and these are really basic camera rules that you shouldn't really do in any kind of video. So number one is no shaky cams. I've seen a lot of people holding a phone in their hand while taking a walk. It's just difficult to watch. I don't really like watching those videos. So I would much prefer that you put up your phone on a tripod or put it on some stable surface, of course in a vertical format, and you film videos using that stabilization. The second thing is no bad audio. So again, if you're at the beach, the waves are crashing around you, the wind is picking up, and people can't really hear you, it's just going to be a bad viewer experience. So you want to make sure you at least have either a mic plugged in or you're close enough to your phone or your recording device for it to pick up your audio really clearly. The third thing is no landscape mode. I'm surprised. There's been a ton of videos that I've been seeing which require the viewer to turn the phone this way to be able to watch that video. And of course, it's filmed in landscape versus portrait, which is kind of a bad experience because when you're using your phone, you're typically holding it like this. And if you want the user experience to be more intuitive, then you do not want to do landscape videos or film something that you've already filmed previously in landscape and put it on IGTV. I don't think that's a good practice. I don't think it's a good viewer experience. If you care about your viewers, make sure you film in portrait mode. All right, and finally, don't make long, boring videos because think about it, even though Instagram offers you up to 60 minutes, if you have like a ton of followers, or at least up to 10 minutes if you're a smaller channel, uploading a 60-minute, like a webinar style video is gonna be difficult to watch while somebody's holding their phone in their hands. So think about how people are consuming content on this platform. It's phone, it's mobile first. It's supposed to be quick, short, engaging, funny, entertaining, valuable, helpful, all of those things, right? So you want to make sure that you keep your videos maybe a couple of minutes. I would say keep them under 5 minutes in the testing phase and see how it goes. So keep them engaging, keep them short. And definitely end with a CTA. Instagram still is all about engagement. It is still all about, talking to people and being social. So put a question at the end. Ask people to respond to something specific at the end. So do include a call to action in all of your videos. So in terms of content strategy, what kind of content should you be creating for IGTV? And this is where a lot of people are like, oh my God, another platform, we don't have time for it. What I've seen is people using IGTV for 3 different types of content. I'll tell you which one is the best. So the first one is as is. So you've made a video already in some format, it exists on some platform, and you just simply take that video from that platform and paste it over and upload it to IGTV. So that's one thing that people are doing. The second thing I've seen people doing is using some form of repurposing. So for example, they have a 10-minute video on YouTube and they'll take a section of that video, maybe a tip or like a 5-minute section or a 1-minute section, and put that up on IGTV. That is still okay to do as long as it meets the resolution and the portrait video requirements. So the third kind of content to create for IGTV is to create a brand new show. And that's the strategy that I'm a fan of, just because it's so easy to create videos for IGTV. Now, you might be thinking, okay, starting from scratch, brand new show sounds harder than just repurposing. But what I found is that a fresh, new take on IGTV, and you can get really personal and intimate on this platform. And that may not be something that you are able to do on the other platforms that you're creating videos, especially on YouTube, right? YouTube is more rehearsed and scripted and everything like more formal. But on IGTV, I found that you can do behind the scenes, you can do like a daily vlog, you can do like a more personal, intimate look into your life as an entrepreneur or your life as a business owner. And I think it offers a more intimate perspective. The other thing is, because it's recorded and not live, you do have the ability to polish up your video a little bit. And it also enables you to, if you are not a regular video creator, to learn a little bit of editing in a very simple style. Okay, so here are my tips to film and edit IGTV videos in really a no-nonsense way. So the first thing you want to do is have a basic outline. And the easiest way I found to make an outline is to decide on a topic and have one single point that I want to make on that topic. That keeps the video nice and short, and it makes sure that I'm going to stick to that one topic. So I polled my audience and they said they want video coaching tips from me on IGTV. So my plan is just to have one tip per video, keep it nice and simple, have a topic, and know what I want to say on it. The other tip I have for you is to film in bursts or clips. So when you are filming using your phone, what you can do is you can hit record, say something, maybe a sentence or two, and when you feel like you're done or you need to pause or you need to think again about what to say next, hit pause on your video recording feature. What that will do is add a natural edit point while you gather your thoughts about what to say next. I think that adds more clarity to your IG videos. It doesn't make them run over time. And when you stitch all of these clips together, it makes for a better viewing experience because you're making points, point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4, like you're on point, literally. The other thing you want to do is to create a cover image. Now, IGTV does offer you the ability to either choose a frame from your video or to create a new cover image. I definitely prefer creating a custom cover image, and I do this really simply by going to Instagram stories and just writing my text or adding a picture and doing it over there. You can also use Canva to create a cover image. Just make sure you choose the resolution to 1080 by 1920, and Canva will give you a custom dimension, and then you can upload your graphics, you can add text, and all of that, and then you can upload that video to IGTV with a custom cover image. It does look good. It makes it look more produced. It makes it look better and more professional. You do not want to have any important text or any other important thing appearing in the lower third of your video or in the upper quadrant of your IGTV video. Because that's the nature of portrait, it's going to get cut off with other stuff happening on Instagram where they want to have like their own branding and other things. So just make sure that the safe area is within this frame. Transcripts. So I've seen some people add like a full transcript for IGTV videos, but I don't think it's really required because audio does play automatically on IGTV. What I would encourage you to do is add captions. So if you're making some important points or you want to emphasize certain words, do add captions to your video in your editing software. That will enhance the user experience. All right, so you filmed your video, you edited your video, it's time to upload. You can upload using either your phone or your desktop computer. The process is pretty much the same either way. Instagram is gonna ask you for 3 things. Number 1, what's the cover image gonna be? What's your title gonna be? And description. So for the cover image, you can just upload the cover image that you already made. And then for the title, you wanna make sure you keep it short, under 20-25 characters, because the rest of it is gonna get cut off. You do wanna add maybe a branded hashtag to your title if you can do that. And then for the description, just a really short description on what this video is about. And then you click upload from your roll, either from your camera roll or from your desktop. And that video is going to go up. Once it's up, you can see views and comments coming in real time. Be sure to respond to all the comments that come in because obviously that's going to increase your engagement. And here's a ninja tip. Be sure to, even if you have a small Instagram account, you can still link to your IGTV videos from your Instagram stories. So if you are making an Instagram story and saying, hey, I just made a new IGTV episode, swipe up to see it, and you can add the link to your IGTV video. So that's a cool integrated feature they have going on where you can use one feature like stories to promote another feature like your IGTV videos. If you're not already following me on Instagram, then be sure to go to instagram.com/Salma Jafri and follow me there because I'm going to be making IGTV episodes on all about how to be better on camera, how to be better on video. So I'd love to see you there as well. Remember to go after what you want and build a brand you love because you can be the media. It's really easy to switch scenes between yourself and what you're seeing on camera. You're like filming yourself, blah, 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 and then you pause that, switch the camera around to whatever you want to show, pause it, and switch it back to yourself. So it's like automatic editing, and it's really easy to do. Even my 11-year-old can do it. I'm not joking.